guys, Road King Cino here, bringing you another quick episode of the Dirty Left Shoe Chronicles. You dig? We actually on our way over here to Pupos Cycles in Hialeah, Florida. Make sure y'all check them out for all your motorcycle needs. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, shout out to Esther from Pupos Cycles, who actually put together this barbecue over at the park today for Mario and Dade County Riderz. Very, very good guy. Here you go. Yeah, very, very good guy. Always show love. Ever since I met him, always just been a really, really cool, down to earth guy. So we actually getting ready to meet up over here now, and then we're gonna be pulling out. So I'm not gonna go into detail and be talking your head off about this and talking your head off about that. But I'm gonna just let you all come with me for the day and see what we get into. That's that girl power, you see. Nice cameras action. Also guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liking what you see. Also leave a comment below. I'm finna bring you that heat all year round. We heading to the park right now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and sit back and serenade y'all with some music and some visuals, you know, and I'll come back in a minute. Out here at the Dade County cookout, showing support to that guy Mario. If you know, you know, man. One of the nicest guys I met in this bike community. Where did he go?
In the fucking woods. You told me that I was cold. Oh, what brake fluid is running? Oh, that's trash brake fluid. That's why you went to the MCN, fucking the Corvette Museum. They have a track there, bro. The front straight. You're like, hey, Reina, ponte serio.
When you guys start? Oh, we turn right.
Ya sé, me compré uno, imbécil. Tanto te demoras, te voy a esperar.
São Paulo.
I can always count on her now. So I gotta buy a whole new railing to fix that. Real plastic piece.
¿Vas a pasar por aquí?
¿Tiene vos tú hablas? ¿Ya que te da tos? ¿O vos tú la persona? Dos de la persona. A ver, porque
Dos.
No, mira, te voy a decir. Con la voz no va a pasar aquí.
Alright, bro,
Yeah. Hey, say it one more time, man, for the people. Y'all be safe, man. Said it like your kids, huh?
No, Vanessa. Come on.
Caribbean bullies, nothing but the finest right here. Come on, we in play, man. Let me see you do something. Let me see all y'all do something. Show them, let me see what y'all got, man. You gotta bring it back, though.
Don't put it down. What?
Oh. Yeah, really.
Surf on it. Surf my bike. I know you like
Surf it.
They say you can surf. What you say, Chris?
Yeah.
Come on, little Chris. What you doing, man? I'm trying to make you famous, buddy. Ain't nothing wrong with that bike. Hey, look.
He's gonna come back around.
Oh, man.
Yo, surf it, nigga.
I can. There's too many people. I'm not use shit.
Come on, Chris, stop fucking.
Surf, jeez.
Oh, man, you playing, man. I think y'all camera shy, man. I'm an old man, though.
I thought I said
What'd you say?
this place bipolar as hell.
It's bipolar, huh? Let me see you do something, man. You talk the most. Let me see you. Let me see you, man. You playing, man. Y'all playing over here. Now, what can you do? I showed you what I could do. Now, what can you do? I know you can ride that motherfucker. I know every last one of y'all can ride the hell out of them bikes. Y'all probably only got about a couple more years for y'all on one of these bikes.
2 more years.
Yeah, exactly, right?
I need something with an engine.
They did a raffle already?
They're doing it, yeah.
Oh.
Listen, half of them is trying to trade that shit for a dirt bike.
Exactly.
How many of you trying to trade that shit for a dirt bike? I know you are.
See?
You're gonna feel one soon. Let me lock my shit.
Lock it down. He said he might still want real soon.
I know you are.
You know, it's funny. When he gave me, this is my ticket. I said, okay. I put it in the bag, and my friend, she takes it.
He won it.
And I go like this. I go, Kawasaki. And she takes out the ticket. I go, oh my God, he's the worst.
That was the good. That was the good luck.
Oh, you won?
Nice, nice, right? It looks nice. Oh no, it's
Reggie!
Yeah.
There wasn't no setup, no.
No, there was no setup.
The fix was in.
What do you mean allegedly?
He won fair and square. He won fair and
I
square.
saw it. It was legit. I saw it. It was legit.
I went like this. She put her hand. I go, Kawasaki. Because he said he needed it. Like it's green.
He got it too.
And I'm like,
I'm excited. I'm really excited.
What'd you think about your new helmet, man?
Hey, no, I God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's all I can say.
My bad, Mario. Let the king walk past, man. Do it again. Hey, represent Dade County Riders. Can I take this? Can I video this? No fingerprints, no evidence. Oh, no fingerprints, no evidence. Little kids following behind them, following behind their idols.